So guys, as we know, this is a paid sponsorship and the sponsor for this video
Maybe you should take it slow.
So hey riders, welcome back to a brand new video. So apparently we've been doing a lot of reviews and I think a few rides right now. So I thought why don't we make a different video this time. So guys, we have a few helmets right now. I think I have around 4 to 5 helmets at home. Uday has around 6 to 7 as he has 3 bikes at home, his brothers and 2 of his. So there are many bikes and many helmets. So all of them are stacked very ugly at the home. Some will be in the shoe rack, some will be somewhere else. It's horrible, guys. So we've been searching around in Flipkart and Amazon how much would it be for a decent wall hanging helmet holder, because it looks really nice, as all the helmets whatever people use are around 4,000 range to I think 20,000 right now. So we thought we'll just we'll buy a decent helmet holder, but apparently in Amazon and Flipkart it cost you around 3,000 to 4,000, even a decent one. So we thought why don't we make a DIY video of how to make a helmet holder at home. So we thought this helmet holder should be in a very nice small price range. So guys, whatever we're gonna buy right now for the helmet holder, it totally costed us around 500 rupees. And we'll show you how the DIY goes. We've got all the stuff already, so we thought we'll make this out of these PVC pipes. They're strong and very cheap, you could say. So guys, the main thing is you need 2 of these type of main rods, which are the main stuff for it. I think both are 45 centimeters. Yeah, 45 centimeters both, and then you need 4 which are 30 centimeters. And then these 4 which are 7 centimeters.
No, this is 10, this is 7.
This you cut it down. Okay. So these are 10 centimeters. And then these are 7 centimeters. And these are also, you need to get 4 of them. And these are 15 centimeters. And we also got the glue for the PVC pipe, so we kind of frame it properly and get it stuck. And then you need 4 T-joints. And then, how many are these? 12? Yeah, 12 L-joints. And you can get a spray paint, just it's optional guys. If you guys want to spray it and make it look really good, you can get it. So guys, we're making a two case helmet holder, a thing which can hold 2 helmets. So I think we'll start the process right now. And I think it's better if you guys just fix it first and then look into it if it came properly, and then stick the glue and all, as if you stick this glue once, it's permanent.
And try keeping the helmet also.
Yeah, so yeah guys, we'll start making it, we'll start fixing it right now, and we'll let you know how it goes. So guys, this is the top rack guys. This is the main one on the top, which get hanged to the wall over here. There will be a small screw setup over here. But yeah guys, the first helmet would go here. No need to keep it now later. So yeah guys, we have to keep the first helmet here. So we'll make the same type of helmet holder in the bottom, and I'll show you. So we're gonna do it separately, because if we just do it without gluing, everything is gonna just collapse. So yeah guys, we'll just do the second one, and I'll let you know after we connect how's it gonna look. So guys, we've completely fixed the whole thing. So it's going to look like this guys. So it's going to go on the wall like in a straight format. I don't think it'll fit in the frame right now. So yeah guys, we have completely fixed it. So guys, the main thing why I told you to fix, use the glue after we fix it, because once we use the glue guys, it's permanent. So if you guys accidentally fix the wrong joint, it might not work out properly. So that's why I told you guys. So the main thing is this one, this pipe, this one, and this one is going to be just 7 centimeters guys. And then these both and these both are going to be 10 centimeters, and these two and these two are going to be 15 centimeters. And the main 2 pipes in the middle is going to be 45, and the 2 on the top and the 2 on the bottom will be 30 centimeters guys. So I think total around 13 feet of pipe is needed, but other than that, everything else is peace. So yeah, guys, we'll just use the glue right now. The person told it's going to be a little powerful, so Uday is going to wear his gloves and he's going to do it. So we'll just update you guys as soon as we start gluing up everything and doing it. And yeah, guys, use the glue very carefully, guys. Just a little amount is good enough, nothing more. Don't overdo yourself. As I don't know
forget to wear the gloves.
And I don't know if your fingers will get stuck like how Uday is with it. So yeah, guys, we'll just completely glue it up and then I'll let you know how it goes. We just completed sticking everything. I mean Uday has completed sticking everything over here. That glue was quite strong and it, like as soon as you keep the liquid, it's gonna just completely get stuck. So it's all strong and really nice right now. Uday, get the helmet. So guys, the helmet will go in like that, and you can keep two helmets, one over here and one over here, and you can even keep a hanger and get your riding jacket over here. There's no problem at all. It will be hanging on the wall, so it's going to look like this exactly if you look at it. But other than that, it's a really nice product, guys. So the last thing which we are going to do right now is spray paint it so it looks a little more official.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, after it's done, I'll let you know how nice it is.
Do remember, the glue is very strong.
Yeah. This is the final product, whatever we have done. Uday is quite happy about it, and it looks actually really nice, guys. As you guys can see, the way it looks, we gave it a grey paint instead of a black paint to make it look a little more metallic. And guys, we love the way it came out, and I'll show you as soon as we stick it on a wall. I think we have to keep these two nail clippers on the top over here and one in the bottom for a wall, and it'll make it look crazy, guys. So I think as soon as we fix it completely, I'll show you a small video so you guys can see it. And hope so you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys really did enjoy the video, make sure you don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't please forget to join the ST Rider Tube community. And
Yeah, close to 1,000.
yeah. And let us know if you guys want to see many more stuff like this, which we anything which you guys want to know if we can make DIY stuff. And we would definitely look into it. If you can come up with crazy ideas like this, we definitely would and show it to you guys. So peace. So guys, this is the complete look of the helmet holder after we placed it and fixed it to the wall. And as you guys can see, it looks really nice, guys. So Uday has already kept his riding jacket and gloves also stuck to the helmet holder, and as you guys can see, we can place two helmets very comfortably, and as you guys can see, we can easily remove it and also place it. Like, it's not like very tight fit or anything, it's a perfect fit for the helmets. And as you guys can see, it's really nice, guys, and hope you guys like the way the helmet holder looks. And as we painted it in a metallic color, it literally doesn't even look like a PVC pipe. It looks like a metal thing. So yeah, guys, hope you guys like the way it came out, because we love the way it came out, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. So guys, as we know, this is a paid sponsorship, and the sponsor for this video is our legendary Uday, as he has paid for all the pipeline systems. So yeah, guys, I'll keep his Instagram tag over here, and you can just go follow him as he's ready, single and ready to jingle.
I'm gonna take that thing home.
Say that it feels right.